So today, we'll be doing a little bit of shit on our bikes. It's me, got Frank.
Yo.
So first up is Frank doing a oil change on his bike.
I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. We're gonna experiment with this bitch, hope we get it right.
So I'm pretty much just telling them what to do and you're gonna do it themselves. So yeah, man. So you ready, kid? Alright. Frank?
Flux capacitor on.
Yeah, he about to fuck his whole shit up. Alright, what year is your bike?
15.
2015 ZX10. Alright, first you gotta come over here, Frank. So you're gonna grab right here, and it might be a 17 socket. Try 17 first. So first you're gonna put it on and make sure it fit. Nah, put it on there. Put it on the drain plug.
What, the drain thing?
Yeah, the drain plug underneath the bottom. Whatever side you can reach it better. Is it under here? Try this side. I doubt it this side because the pipe is right there, but you never know.
I don't know where it is. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm looking for.
You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Alright, try to fit the socket over it first.
Yeah.
Fit? Alright. Lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. Know what that means?
Stay
No,
away
you
from
don't
the
want to
project
strip
chicks.
it. You don't want to strip it though. So wait, hold on. So you gotta try it first. Wait, look. So you gotta go, this is right, this is left. So on the bike, you gotta go left. Make sure you ain't going the wrong way because you're gonna strip it. Mosquitoes out. It's loose?
Yeah.
Wait. Fix the pan. Make sure it ain't gonna get on. Yo, this fucking mosquito got crazy, son.
That
Don't
shit is
spill it on the
hot.
ground. Don't spill it on the ground. Wait, let me get you a towel. So let that shit drain out.
Wasn't that shit clear when you put it in there?
Well, it's supposed to be like less browner. That's what you mean. Like a little bit clear brown. Here. I'll just wipe off that, yeah. You wipe the glove off.
The glove off? Why don't you just get another glove?
Whatever you want to do.
Food service, you're supposed to switch that glove every
Oh, this food right here, motherfucker?
Oh, but it's still the same science, I'm sure.
This nigga talking about food. Like you about to eat some fucking oil. Take the glove, okay? Take the glove off. Yeah, throw it in the garbage, right? Just throw another glove on.
Ah, shit. These are...
Look, this nigga spilling oil, so look at this shit. Look. See? This guy here, son. Motherfucker here, son. Alright, so you gotta turn the pan long way. Because we're gonna take off the filter.
Remember, we didn't do the K&N filter last time. We did the regular filter, so
why would you buy the regular one?
That's...
We don't use regular filters in this size, huh? That's for niggas with 250 cc's and up.
Dude, we talked about that.
We did? What you said?
I said, yo, Pooh, you want me to go get the K&N filter? He was like, no, let's use the Kawasaki.
Oh, you pulled my
filter
move on me. Oh, okay.
No,
okay. Now everybody know I don't endorse no other filter except for K&N.
I already bought.
Yo, why this nigga lying on me, son? This nigga is lying, son. Alright, no. Nah, you leave it like that. Leave it like that. For now. Let it run. Alright, you gotta turn the pan slowly. Turn it long way.
Pooh dumps illegally.
That cannot be proven, just to let you know.
Illegal dumping ass, dude.
Just do it real nice and slow, so we don't spill any. This is my side of the parking. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do now? Yours is real easy to get to. All right. Let me cut it off. I'm gonna start it off again. So usually you gotta put like a stand on. You can't even see me. You gotta put a stand, you gotta lift and all that shit. This is the bootleg work.
Yeah, that's some knees. That's some good knees right there. I couldn't do that.
We pull the drain plug Then we're gonna lean the bike over on the side. Then he's gonna hit the filter with the filter wrench.
Try 20 guy.
Oh, make sure the it's draining in the pan.
It is.
Hold the brake. Hold the brake when you do this.
Yo, you want to do this? I don't even see how to do this.
See it?
Yeah, I see it, bro.
So here, come and take the bike. Some more? Let's not buy this for
Huh?
Let's not buy this filter no more.
No, I got the can in. Remember when they had to sell? I bought like 5 of them.
Can't do it without oh, this is kind of risky. I want to punch this shit down. I can only do it for the side. This is
Right
right
more?
Nah, it should be good. Not want to punch this fucking filter and it will not. Yo, how the fuck did we get it off last time? This is the same filter you had on there? On me on the ground like a pedal style. God damn, man. Yo, how much I'm charging for this, Frank?
Huh?
How much I'm charging you for this?
Yo, it's a lot of static in the phone. I can't hear you.
The phone? This nigga's right here, man.
No, call back. I can't hear you.
Sit it down. I'll let you do the honors. Alright. How long that shit took me? 4 minutes? God damn. Take it slow. It's already loose. Just take it off. There you go. Slow. There you go. Let it sit in there. It's alright. Let it drain out. Should have put gloves on. Ooh. Not bad. Not the comfiest though. Oh, why didn't I put gloves on? Got nigga Frank gonna clean his bike.
Yeah, but I bought that filter before you come in.
Yeah, I'm All right, so it's simple. When you guys change, when you get a brand new bike, you get the OEM factory oil filter. It doesn't have what it came in at. It's just you need an oil wrench, an oil filter wrench to take them off, which is this. Well, now when you take that shit off, you always get a K&N. This is a little nipple piece right here. It's so you can put these wrenches on it, and it's easy to come on and off. In addition, this is for high performance. So this always be better than OEM. Some may disagree, but this is where it's at. Alright? So always get K&N, and this ain't no endorsement. K&N oil filter. Alright, so get back to you again. So we're still on Frank bike. He pulled a drain plug, he pulled the oil filter. So now we're letting it drip for a little while now. So now he's gonna clean off the drain plug. It's like every other oil change. You're supposed to change that washer, but as long as it ain't fucked. Let me see the drain plug. Okay, so Frank doesn't have his washer.
It had a washer?
Yeah.
Only person did the oil change was you douche.
Well, if it didn't have one before, then it must have never fucking... I don't fucking know. It's supposed to be a washer around the shit, right? But the way this bolt is made, though, it could be the fucking thing is like...
The way that it's built, right?
Yeah. So let's go with that. So he don't blame me for losing nothing. Just get, nah, but it really looked like a built-in thing, though. So first you wipe off the area, and then you put the drain plug in. You hand tighten it first, and then you put the wrench on it and do like a quarter turn on it. You just talking all this other shit. We don't got time for all that. Put it, hand tighten it, give it one with the wrench. We Gucci. Don't over tighten, because if you strip the oil pan, you are in trouble. So he's gonna put the drain plug in now by hand, and then one with the wrench. So hold on, here, Frank. Let me go around so I can show them. Wait, hold on, nigga. I'm gonna go put it without them, so they gotta see, bro. Take the camera out.
Wipe the area.
All right, go ahead. Oh, let it drop in the oil. Wait, you did it by hand already?
Yes.
Alright, put on there. Just a little turn, that's it.
That's it?
A little bit more, a little bit more. Alright, be straight. Alright. So, where's the other filter now? Put this shit back in the case. Drop this camera. Alright, boom. So, before you put the filter on, you know, use your
Remember,
finger.
we can't stress this enough. K&N.
K&N. No sponsorship. So you're gonna dip his finger in the oil and rub it around the rubber part right here.
Sound kinky.
See this rubber right here? You're gonna put oil on your fingertip so it has a good seal. Okay, that's what he's gonna do now.
If you follow him on IG, you know why that shit sounds real kinky.
I have stuff about church on my Instagram. I guess. So let me do the oil, and I'm gonna put the camera down and tilt the mic.
Stick my finger in that shit?
Yeah, nigga. Just a little bit, not the whole finger, just the tip. Whoa,
Just the tip.
whoa, whoa, whoa.
Just the tip. Just the tip. Ooh,
Stop saying that. They're gonna flag my shit. They're
like this.
Son.
She like this.
Alright, look. Alright, look. Put it down, wait. So, okay, before you put it on. So, I'm gonna tilt the bike. This is the, I wanna say the getaway. This is the quick, cost efficient, you know what I'm saying, reliable way. I'm gonna tilt the bike, you're gonna put the filter on. He's gonna hand tighten it. You do not put a wrench on it. It's only hand tighten, alright? Hold on, go tilt the bike. All right. I said only hand tighten it. Now, if you put it on with your hand and you still like, maybe I just want to go a little bit more, you can get a 17 wrench. That's the K&N one. You can get the 17 one, Frank. The wrench over there. 17. That one.
We already had them on the
No, right there, right there. Those.
This?
No, that one. Keep, oh, no, keep going. Well, you can use that too, but you use the regular one. No, oh, those. Yeah. Get a 17.
Is that shitty?
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it on the tip of it and a little bit of crank. That's just for reassurance, but it's not necessary. Hold on, let me tell you. You can reach it there, no problem. Just a little bit, right?
I can move the oil pan now, right?
Well, now you're going to just a little bit. Just a little bit. How many times you crank?
No, it wasn't all. I ain't go to like tight enough.
Good?
Yeah.
Can you stand down?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. So the last thing left is you're gonna take a rag, wipe off any area oil may have spilled on. You're gonna run the bike and see if there's anything leaking. Anything leaking, it's either gonna be the drain plug or it's gonna be the oil filter. If anything leaking, just tighten wherever it's leaking at. But just run the bike now and see from there. So that's it. I gotta tell y'all. The oil goes in here, right? This is very important. The oil goes in here, okay? Little whatever the cap at. Show them the cap. That cap right there goes on top of it. Okay? Lefty loosey, righty tighty. This is where the oil goes, right? With a nice little funnel. The trick that I used to do, and I still do it, I put 3 in first, right? Always shake it up, get all the good shit down. 3 in first, run it, and then top it off afterwards. Okay? Alright, so we just put 3 quarts in. So now he's gonna run the bike for like, I don't know, not even 5, less than 5, 3-4 minutes. You started. Next thing you know, I broke the button. Nah, we straight, nigga.
Yo, you broke my fairing.
I ain't break shit, motherfucker. We're gonna check for leaks. So that's pretty much it. Put 3 quarts in, run the bike, see if it's leaking, and then when you're putting in the last bottle, because it takes like maybe like 3.5, you're gonna put some in. It's good when you have 2 people. If not, if you by yourself, put a little bit in, straighten the bike up, and let's see where it's at on the glass. Where the hell your glass at? Right here. If it's 2 people, obviously it'd be easier. One keep it straight up, and you just check it. But that's about it though for all checking.